guys, it's your favorite mother and daughter duo. My mom is now retired, so now we are gonna bring you guys a lot of food reviews, right mom?
Really good. Chaat papdi
I didn't.
chickpeas ne.
Okay, this is chaat papdi. My mom wants to get right into it. She wants to
really
eat.
good.
Okay, let me try. This has yogurt, chickpeas. It's like sweet and spicy.
And yogurt.
And there's yogurt and pomegranate and potatoes.
And bhujia.
Really good. And this is like the regular one. And try that, mom. Try.
I'm scared of
Really good too.
Okay, guys, go back to Milan Street Food because they know what's up.
Tasty.